I'm great. And what about you?
I'm great, brother. Yeah,
That's
but
right.
please,
Thing.
may I know about yourself, brother? Hello.
Why not? I'm from Bangladesh. And where are you from? Can I know?
I am calling from Maharashtra, brother.
Okay. Is it India?
I am in from brother in Jalna district in Maharashtra.
Oh, no, no. Is it India?
Yeah, brother. I'm in India, India, in Maharashtra,
And right now, where are you going?
brother. Right away, I'm going in my farmland, brother.
Where?
Farmland.
Okay, okay. No, I think it.
Yeah, brother. Please, may I know what your name?
My name is Ebi Rajak Munshi.
Okay, that's great. And what about you? Education, brother?
I'm a student.
That's great. And which class are you pursuing you degree course like
Class,
right away?
class 10. In class 10.
Class 10.
You're
Oh,
right.
that's great. And what about your aspiration, brother?
And are you a student? I want to know.
What was your aspiration? What is your goal?
Okay, okay, okay. And I want to know from you. Are you a student?
Yeah, yes, brother. First, I introduce myself. My name is Gajaran. I'm from Maharashtra. About my
Okay.
education, this year I'm pursuing my post graduation MA English, and so I daily use this WhatsApp group, and I daily talk to someone this WhatsApp group, brother.
Yes, same
Okay,
to you.
yeah, brother. And brother, may I know about you? Since when have you been learning in English, brother?
You want to know about me?
Yeah, since when have you been learning in English through the
Okay.
WhatsApp group?
I've been learning English for 4 months.
4 months.
Yes, you were right.
That's great, brother.
How long
And
have
brother,
you been
please,
English? Can I know?
yeah, brother, please repeat.
How long have you been learning English?
Yeah, brother. I have been learning English before 6 months ago, brother.
Wow, that's really great. Your accent like a native speaker.
No, brother. My accent is not native speaker, brother. I am in Indian. Okay. And
I,
brother, please tell me about your family.
okay, we are consist of 6 members in our family, and
Yeah.
I have 3 brothers.
Okay.
And you want to know about my father and mother?
Yeah.
My father is a businessman, and my mother is a householder. That's it.
Okay. That's great, brother. And brother,
And
please.
know about my future goal. Am I right?
Yes, brother. Yes, yes.
You told me you want to know about my future goal. I want to
Yes.
become a doctor in future because I want to serve poor people.
Yeah. Great, brother. And please, may I know about like at which kind of business run in your father, brother?
He does
At
export, like export import. Export import.
export import. Oh,
Yes.
that's great, brother. But brother, may I know what your business in your uh, uh, job production like that? What is
What?
your father business in job production? Like some product, some like that. You export and import like that.
Yes. It does. Do you know umbrella?
Umbrella, I know. Yeah. Yes. Yes. And umbrella is like essential work in rainy season. We use umbrella in like rainy season. Okay, like
Every
am I right,
time
brother?
use as umbrella.
Umbrella, yeah, that's
Yes.
great,
Yes.
brother.
Very important
Uh,
for us.
but yeah, brother, like which activity you do daily to improve in your English, brother? Please tell me.
I'm watching many videos on YouTube, like English cartoon, and I read also English newspaper, and I read many books like learning English book.
That's great,
I'm
brother. And
talking with new people nowadays. That's it.
yeah,
But I'm trying to learn English, brother,
that's great, brother. And one
right
thing I
now.
would,
But I'm
that's
trying.
great, brother. And one thing I would like to tell you, brother, if you will be become like a fluent speaker in English, you will have to read, write,
Yes,
listen, and
if you want
to
to
speak
become
to
fluent, you have to follow four things.
if you will be fluent speaking, you will have to use some listening, speaking, writing, and reading. Those
You're
are
right.
best key to become one of best fluent speaker in English. Those things we must do, and then sooner or later you become one of best English speaker, brother. Yeah,
Yes, you are right. And can I know why do you want to learn English? What is the reason?
yeah, brother. English is word and international language, brother.
English
Uh,
is
like uh,
my language. Yes, you're right.
and I wish to become a I wish to
Go
become
ahead, brother.
one of best English speaker, brother, and
Okay.
as well as I wish to become one of best YouTuber, brother. So
Wow.
that's why I have chosen this sector, brother, and uh, uh, brother, one thing I would like to tell you also, when I speak to someone at that time, I uh, hesitate a lot. So that's why.
Okay.
So
Okay,
that's
I have
why.
the same problem, bro. When I go to before people, I cannot speak fluently. I, I feel shy, hesitate. I cannot speak.
That's same thing, brother. When I speak to someone at that time, I hesitate, I shyness, and I feel
Right, the
uh,
same brother.
uncomfortable talk someone. That's why I have chosen this application, brother. This is the one of best application to improvement in our English, and uh, we can overcome in our hesitation, brother. That is one of great application, brother.
Okay,
Yeah.
thank you for giving this information. I will try to
Yes, brother.
download and I will use. Okay, no problem.
And brother, through this application, through this application, brother, I daily attend 4 to 5 call, brother. In a day, I every attend 4 to 5 call, brother. Through this application, brother. That is one of best application. Uh, like
Okay.
uh, when we use this application at that time, we can talk to everyone through the like video call, brother. Okay, and at that time, uh, we can ask to that person like uh, what is our weakness to speak in English, and we uh, uh, came to know our weakness, and we can work our weakness as soon
And
as
brother,
possible.
have you ever been to Bangladesh? Have you ever been
Uh,
to Bangladesh?
no, brother. I will never visit in
Come, Bangladesh in future.
Bangladesh, brother. Okay, brother. And brother, there are many a friend of mine, brother, and they are also from in Bangladesh, brother.
Okay.
Yeah.
And
Uh,
in future,
uh,
what? Am I right? For
uh,
visiting.
uh, yes, brother. I wish to visit in some state, brother. Apart from hey, Maharashtra, brother. Uh, when we visit, brother, when we visit like hey some state brother, at that time we came to know about their state, some a culture and a new thing, and we can use those things in our life, and we get tired in your life as soon as possible brother. That is really hey great way brother. We must visit some place brother. Okay.
Okay. First of all, I want to know from you one thing. What is your father?
Okay brother, yeah, like I would like tell you about my father brother. uh, he
Please
is
tell me.
a farmer brother. My father is a farmer. Yeah.
Wow, that's really great.
Yeah brother. And I daily speak English to many guys brother. uh, like uh, because of brother, I daily attend 10 to 15 voice call brother. And as well as I daily attend like 4 to 5 these this video call brother. Through I daily attend through the uh, uh, Skype light 4 to 5 call brother.
Okay, that's really great. I appreciate you.
Yeah brother.
And can you tell me how can I improve my English skill?
Yeah
Can
brother.
you
Uh,
some suggestion so that I can improve?
like uh, uh, okay fine brother. If you
Okay.
will be improving in English, you
Yes.
must read you must read at least 30 minutes brother every day. You must speak at least 30 minutes every day. You must
Okay.
listen uh, you must listen 30 minutes at least every day brother.
Okay.
And if you will be sometime to write at that time you write something brother. And
Okay.
mm, as you possible to your side, if you try to speak in your family member brother in English, if you
Okay.
possible
I'll
to
try.
that. Mm. Okay, those are really important key to build in our uh, uh,
Every day. And
yeah
also
brother.
other.